This is the Oraimo AirCruze, a 14-inch rechargeable fan with smooth oscillation, touch controls, remote control, and multiple airflow modes. After using this guy for the past 21 days, I realized that this fan is more about comfort. Let me tell you everything you need to know about this fan. Let's get down to business. You can buy this Oraimo AirCruze fan directly from Oraimo official website or on Oraimo store app for 145,900 naira, which is approximately 107 US dollars as of the time of making this video. And if you decide to get one, you can use my discount code BRACKET to get a 5% discount. This code also works on other Oraimo products as well. Thank you. The Oraimo AirCruze fan comes packaged in a large brown carton with fragile tape wrapped around it. Inside the box, you get a remote control and a small black screwdriver. The next item is the user manual. Then comes the charging adapter, and lastly, the Oraimo fan in 4 different parts. Now, the fan doesn't come fully assembled inside the box. You need to put all the 4 parts together yourself. Thankfully, the setup process is pretty straightforward. I have already made a separate video on assembling this fan. You can check the card above or the link in the description box below. And also, it's worth noting that the Oraimo AirCruze fan comes in just one color, and that is graphite gray. Honestly, it looks clean and premium. The Oraimo AirCruze does not look like the regular fans most of us are used to. Most rechargeable fans simply rotate left to right, but this one here can rotate different angles, including a 360 degrees. And after using it for 21 days, that ended up being one of my favorite features. The movement is smooth, quiet, and during my testing, I didn't notice any rattling or mechanical sound while it was rotating. Most of the body is plastic, but once assembled, everything feels solid. The base is stable, and I didn't experience any wobbling or shaking during use. In terms of height, the Oraimo AirCruze stands about 3 feet 5 inches tall, which is roughly 1 meter. Please note that the height is fixed and cannot be adjusted. The Oraimo AirCruze comes with both touch controls and remote control support. And yes, the remote is very responsive, which I have here with me. First thing you should know is that remove the nylon or something that is protecting the battery from contacting. Remove it before you start using it. If not, it's not going to work. So once you remove that, then you can start using your remote. You will get 8 levels of wind speed, so you can pick whatever speed that suits your need. It actually helps distribute airflow around the room properly. Another feature worth mentioning is that you get wind modes, various wind modes, such as normal wind, natural wind, sleep wind, and echo wind. You can pause the video here to see what each mode can do for you, or check the description to see the wind mode explanations. You are also getting a 12 hours timer control and ability to turn off the display light at night. And one more thing is that there is no voice prompt here, just a single beep feedback when you press something. Now, let's talk about the battery life of the Oraimo AirCruze. On speed 2, this fan lasted me for 25 hours, 32 minutes. And on speed 4, I got 9 hours, 13 minutes. And on the higher speed, which is the H or the 8th level, I got 4 hours, 46 minutes. Please note that all these tests were carried out with oscillation and rotation disabled. The fan remains stationary throughout my testing. So when you want to charge this guy, to charge it from 0 to 100% is going to take you 4 hours, 32 minutes, and that is it. And also, you can actually use this fan while it is charging. But personally, I will recommend that you charge it fully and unplug it, then use it normally. Now, if there is one situation where this fan stood out for me, it was during power outages. I also find myself using it while editing videos sometimes when I needed airflow around my workspace. And because this is an oscillation system, it works nicely in areas where people are much, like you have multiple people around. Unlike other fans, you don't have to stand up from your bed or your seat to make it rotate. You can actually use your remote control. The remote, actually, not remote control, remote to control everything. And if you have an AC in your room, this fan will complement that airflow perfectly. So just use the Oraimo AirCruze with it, with your AC, and it will help you circulate the AC to wherever is lacking airflow, as in cool airflow. So, should you buy this Oraimo AirCruze? Well, it depends on you. If you want a rechargeable fan that feels modern, gives you 360 degrees oscillation, quite at low speed, and it is feature rich, then the Oraimo AirCruze is actually a solid package. Honestly, the oscillation system is what makes me like this fan, and that's what makes it stand out. For me, I will give this guy a solid 7.5 over 10. Alright guys, so that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you want to get yours, please get it from Oraimo website or Oraimo store app and use my discount code BRACKET to enjoy 5% discount instantly. Bye for now. Peace.